The question I'd like to talk about is it possible for us to manufacture a product using material that we extract from nature and then successfully return all the components to nature in a way that's genuinely sustainable? The reason I'm so excited about this question is really because of the large trends of what's happening around the world today. We can reach across the world and communicate with people anywhere, and people have the ability also to manufacture products really looking quite globally. In fact, many people today really think of this as being the so-called Anthropocene era, because for the very first time in all of history, what people do influences what happens all around the planet. How does that tie in with questions of manufacturing? Well, first, let's just take a moment and think about what happens with natural cycles. When we look at studying the planet Earth, we learn about the carbon cycle, the cycle of water, the nitrogen cycle, and all of these cycles. Why are they cycles? Well, it's because living systems and nature, when it uses a component, will always return it. And it does that because that's the only way to be stable if you truly operate on a global scale. We need to look at how to manufacture in a way that will be consistent with manufacturing in a cycle. The trends are in an opposite direction. Actually, we make more complex materials as we go on today, and we will need to learn how to take very complex materials and break them apart into components which we could then use, reuse again, or return to nature in a sustainable way. I think that's going to be one of the great challenges for the coming 10 and 20 and even 30 years for chemistry. Thank you. I'm Paul Alivisatos, the director of the Lawrence Berkeley National Lab.